In today's video, this is what I'm going to be doing. Okay. No, I don't like that either. Hi, it's Tiny Tidy Tuesday, and it's a collaboration, and it's hosted by Sunday Dawn. And I'd like to thank her for hosting this collaboration. And her channel is The Health Home. And there are many, many of us who join in this little challenge. And I really enjoy it. I bought this vacuum a while ago. And when I bought this vacuum, I said I'm going to keep my mattress vacuumed up. So I'm trying to keep that. So this is part of my tiny tidy today. Just giving this mattress a really good vacuum. So this is just a reminder to have you subscribe. And a thank you for all my people who watch me regularly. Thank you, thank you. I really do appreciate it. And if you like this content, please give me a thumbs up. So please subscribe. Bye. I don't need to say bye. This is what came off of our mattress, and our mattress is not old, and we always had a bed cover, a mattress cover on it, and I took it off because it had rubber on it and I didn't like sleeping on it. It was hot. So when we bought this vacuum cleaner, I swore I'm going to keep my mattress clean, and it's probably been 4 months since I took it off, and this is what came out of my bed. It's pretty bad, and all I vacuumed was the bed. And look at that stuff at the bottom. Okay. Bye-bye. So, now I'm going to wash this. Okay. I always say, okay, I'm going to paint my table white. I started painting it with chalk paint in kind of a cream color, and I didn't really like it. So, I got some white paint. My husband actually got some white. It's Bear paint. So that should be good. So I'm going to shake it up and start painting. Okay, I got the top painted and down the side. I got that painted there. That used to be brown. So Now, we're going to put some paint here. Oop. There, put some paint there. And we're going to paint. It's probably too much paint, but I'll spread it around. Get it all painted nice. There we go. Okay, we're gonna continue. All white. There it is, all painted white, and I really, really, really love it. So nice. Okay, it's dry, so I'm flipping it over because I have to paint underneath. Because you come up my stairs where I have the table set, where the table is sitting, you can see this part. So I'm going to give it a coat of white, and flipping it over lets me see that this all needs touch up too. So we'll get busy and do that. Okay, the table's painted underneath as well. So when you come up the stairs, you'll just see the white. And pretty soon we'll be able to put it in place. Well, we got the table all finished and looks good. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe. Next video is Fairy Garden Thursday 2023.